Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Myself Tirth. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. So today I am going to discuss the concept of deduction under section 10AA, which is a concept of CA final direct tax for assessment year 2020-2021. Now, before moving forward, please help yourself. The link of these notes is already provided in the description column below. Now, what is a deduction under section 10AA? It is a special provision allowed only to a newly established units located in SEZ. Such newly established units would be in the manufacturing or producing article or things or a computer software. Now, what is the deduction eligibility requirement? It is for the first 5 assessment year 100% of the export profit, for the next 5 assessment year 50% of the export profit, and for another 5 assessment year any amount that is credited to SEZ reinvestment allowance reserve account or 50% of the export profit, whichever is lower. Now, what is meant by export profit? It means the consideration in respect of export brought into India in convertible foreign currency within 6 months from the end of the previous year or as a time permitted by RBI. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हमने प्रीवियस ईयर में कोई एक्सपोर्ट किया हुआ है तो उसका जो भी कंसिडरेशन रहेगा वो हमें कन्वर्टिबल फॉरेन करेंसी में विद इन 6 मंथ्स फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर में इंडिया में लाना चाहिए. नाउ फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग एक्सपोर्ट प्रॉफिट इज PGBP of the unit located in SEZ into export turnover divided by total turnover. प्लीज आप लोग यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिएगा, यहाँ जो भी हमें एक्सपोर्ट प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करना है उसका जो PGBP है वो यूनिट लोकेटेड इन SEZ का ही होना चाहिए. जो भी यूनिट SEZ में लोकेटेड नहीं है उसका हमें PGBP नहीं लेना है. प्लीज आप लोग यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिएगा. सो PGBP of the unit located in SEZ into export turnover divided by total turnover. Now, export turnover और total turnover कैलकुलेट करते वक्त ये फॉलोइंग चीज़ें हमें इंक्लूड नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट इन केस ऑफ CIT वर्सेस HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज लिमिटेड 2018 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस किए थे और उस हिसाब से डिसीजन दिया हुआ था कि ये 7 चीज़ें जो भी है वो हमें एक्सपोर्ट टर्नओवर और टोटल टर्नओवर में इंक्लूड नहीं करनी है, जो कि है फ्रेट, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन चार्जेस, इंश्योरेंस, expenses for providing services outside India, cash compensatory support, duty drawback, profit on the sale of import entitlement license. Okay, so now moving forward, sales proceeds deemed to have been received in India if such amount is credited to a separate account maintained by SSE outside India with approval of RBI. It means with the approval of RBI, अगर हम कोई भी जो सेल्स प्रोसीड है अगर ये सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन किया हुआ है SSC ने, उसमें क्रेडिट होता है और रिसीव होता है तो ये मान लिया जाएगा कि ये एक्सपोर्ट प्रॉफिट है. प्लीज़ आप लोग यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिएगा, जो SSC है वो इंडियन रेसिडेंट ही होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन किया हुआ है वो आउटसाइड इंडिया होगा तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन उसके लिए RBI की अप्रूवल लेना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, तो इंडियन रेसिडेंट है उसका जो सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन किया हुआ है आउटसाइड इंडिया, अगर उस अकाउंट में सच सेल प्रोसीड्स इज रिसीव्ड और credited to such account, then it would be deemed as it is a export profit. Okay, moving forward, any amount credited to SEZ reinvestment allowance reserve account should be utilized for acquiring new plant and machinery and put to use within 3 years from the end of previous year in which the reserve was created. If amount misutilized or unutilized, then deduction claimed earlier shall be taxable as a PGBP. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने यहाँ पे जो भी अमाउंट क्रेडिट किया हुआ है SEZ रीइन्वेस्टमेंट अलाउंस रिजर्व में, उसका हमें यूटिलाइजेशन करना चाहिए न्यू प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एक्वायर करने में, और वो पुट टू यूज हो जानी चाहिए विद इन 3 years फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर इन विच सच रिजर्व वॉज क्रिएटेड. अगर ये अमाउंट मिस यूटिलाइज होती है और अनयूटिलाइज हो जाती है, then deduction claimed earlier shall be taxable as PGBP. Moving forward, if software developed abroad at client place or profits earned as a result of deployment of technical manpower at a client place abroad specifically for the software development would be eligible for section 10AA pursuant to a contract between a client and SEZ unit. इसका मतलब ये है कि if there is any contract between client and SEZ unit in which any software is developed abroad at client place or any technical manpower support or services is provided to a client place abroad specifically for software development, then such would be eligible for section 10AA deduction, but there should be a contract between client and SEZ unit. Okay, moving forward, in case of a change in ownership, deduction shall be available during the unexpired period at the applicable rate subject to fulfillment of prescribed conditions. It means subject to fulfillment of prescribed conditions. अगर कोई भी ओनरशिप ये न्यूली एस्टैब्लिश यूनिट्स की चेंज होती है और कोई नई ट्रांसफरी को जाती है, तो उस नए ट्रांसफरी को रिमेनिंग ईयर्स का डिडक्शन ही मिलेगा. सपोज इन 8th year if transferor transfers such ownership of unit to any transferee, then such transferee would be eligible for a deduction only in the remaining years. It means year to year at the rate 50% of the export profit or any amount credited to reinvestment allowance reserve account or 50% of export profit whichever is lower during the remaining 5 years. Okay, moving forward, tax holiday should not be denied merely on the ground of physical relocation of an eligible SEZ unit from one place to another SEZ unit. It means suppose any unit is in A area and if it transfers its unit to some any other B area, then if such B is also an SEZ, then such transfer would be a valid transfer and the deduction under section 10AA would still be eligible and it would not be denied on the grounds that physical relocation is not available. Okay, so here I'm concluding my topic. Hope you find this video useful. In case of any query or suggestion, please do comment in the comment section below. Please like and share the video with your friends. Also, please do subscribe to my channel for more of such useful videos, and also don't forget to click the bell icon to stay tuned and connected with us. And also you can follow us on social media and the links given or prescribed in the description column below. Thank you.